Yes, now body slow, come back, inhale. Exhale, come into the cat position. Look front. First, chân phải. Right leg up, thang chân phải left. Thang tay trái chuộc straight to your left hand front. Inhale. Exhale, gập chân phải, hug your knee and look down. Thang tay, thang chân phải left. Inhale, straight hand, straight your right leg up. Exhale, hug your knee, look down. One more time. Inhale, straight hand, straight your right leg up. Exhale, bend your right knee, look down. 5, hold it. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Thang tay, thang chân left. Straight hand, straight your right leg up. 5. Normal breathing. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Gập chân phải. Bend your right leg. Hold your right foot with the left hand and right leg up. 5. Both shoulders in line. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, exhale. Drop your chest down. Thang chân phải left. Hai tay left. Up. 5, 4, hips in line, thigh length. 3, 2 and 1. Both hands side. Come back, inhale. Exhale. Chân phải chuộc, right leg. Front side. Yes. This side. Now hold your right big toe, inhale. Exhale. Thang chân phải left. Straight your right leg up. Chân phải left, more up. Thang chân left. Push. Left. 5. Left. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, exhale, chân phải chuộc, right leg. Front side of your right palm. Thang chân trái giúp bàn chân trái left. Tay trái left. Inhale, exhale, left hand up, look up. Both hand, both shoulder, same line. Mom xuống một chút. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Left hand down near your right foot. Inhale, tay phải left. Exhale, tay trái gần bàn chân phải. Tay trái gần bàn chân phải. 5, great. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back, inhale. Exhale, thang tay chuộc, straight your both hands front. Touch your forehead onto the floor. Straight leg. Straight your left leg. Feel stretching in your hip. 5, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. Chân phải về sau. Right leg back. Gập chân. Drop your knee up. Look front. Inhale. Exhale. Same from the opposite side. Chân trái left leg up. Thang tay phải chuộc, straight your right hand front. Inhale. Exhale. Bend your left knee. Hug your knee. Look down. Straight hand, straight your left leg up. Inhale. Exhale, bend your left knee, hug your knee, look down. One more time. Inhale, straight hand, straight your leg. Exhale, bend your left knee, look down. Try to touch your left knee with your chin. 5, 4, hips same line. 3, 2 and 1. Straight hand, straight your left leg up, look front. 5, 4, hips in line, shoulders in line. Challenge, leg up, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now hold your left foot with the right hand. Left leg up, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Very slow, right hand up. Inhale, drop your chest down. Exhale, tension child, straight your left leg up, high thigh leg, hips in line. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Both hands side. Inhale, exhale, hop bụng nhìn xuống, circle belly look down, relax. Nhìn thẳng. Now look front, chân chay chuột left leg side first. Hold your left big toe and tension chay leg, straight your left leg up as much you can. Challenge up. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Very slow. Inhale, exhale, chân chay chuột left leg front side of your left palm. Tension 5, suspension 5 leg. Straight your right leg, left hand side. Inhale, dive 5 leg. Exhale, right hand up, look up. Both hands, shoulders in line. 5. Just look up. 4. 3, 2 and 1. Đôi tay, tay phải gần mặt chân chắn. Put your right hand near to your left foot. Inhale, exhale, left hand up. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, straight hand, thẳng tay chuột. Exhale, down xuống, head down. Straight your both hands front. 5, straight your right leg. 4, normal breathing. Feel stretching in your leg. 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale, left leg back. Now this time stand on your knee one more time. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now hold your both feet one by one. Just try to hold it. If you cannot, you can lift your heels up. Then hold it. Push your hip front. Lift your chest up. Drop leg. Look back. Stay here. Normal breathing. Long leg. 5. Bum leg more up. 4. 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Very slow. Inhale, exhale. One more time. Thẳng tay chuột straight. Go down and relax. Inhale, exhale. Yes, now from here, gập tay xuống, elbow down, hand chin. Straight your both legs and look front. Stay here, normal breathing. 1 leg. 6, 5, tension, straight leg. 4, 3, 2 and jump 5 leg. Right leg up. 5, look front. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Jump tight, left leg up, inhale. Exhale, 5. Stay here. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Jump. Drop your hip down, inhale. Chest up, thigh tie, right shoulder. Exhale. 11. Stay here. Take normal breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Thumbs up. Now inhale, exhale. Equal. Hold on. Gobchen 5, bend your right leg. High thigh, number Chen 5. Coach. Chen 5 leg, right leg. Up, chest up. Chen 5 leg, more up. Yes. Try. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back down. Inhale, exhale. Chan chai, left leg. Bend your left knee and hold your left foot ankle up. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back down. Inhale, exhale. Equal. Hold on. Go high chin. High thigh, lovely high coach. Chin left. Up. Try to lift your legs up and try to keep your feet together to chin 5. Stay here. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Up and down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now, roll over, lying down with your back. Nambu Ajay position. Inhale. Exhale. High thigh, both legs back. Tension, straight leg. Jump 5 leg. High thigh leg. High thigh, long leg, jump 5. Tension 5 leg. Low leg, chest up. 5, push your leg your side. Yes. Here. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now shoot. Inhale, exhale. Chan chai leg. Left leg up. Hold your left leg with the both hands. Push your left leg your side. Down leg, chest up. Touch your head on your left leg. 5, 4. Feel stretching your leg. 3, 2 and 1. Coming down. Inhale, exhale. Now bend your both legs up high chest. You have two options. First, high thigh both hand side. Bum leg, long leg up. Macam sama ucut, open your feet ucut. Yeah. Long leg up as much you can. Go take long leg dua, thang thigh and long leg go. Thang thigh, high thigh go up. Yes. Fine. Right. 4, 3, 2 and 1, 2, 2. Very slow. Come back down. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Gotcha. Oh, good. On your knee, down low. Roll it. Very slow. Just relax your back. Nằm xuống, hai chân lên. Hai chân qua đầu, both legs back. Đàn tay sau lưng straight to your both hand. Both legs back to your head. Together. Try to touch your feet onto the floor. Back straight, thumb look. Knee lên, look up. 5. Touch your chin on your chest. 4. Land. 3, 2 and 1. Very slow. Come back down. Inhale. Exhale. Punch. Bow. Outside. Inhale. Exhale. Now bend your right knee up to 5. Thigh left hand. Hold your right knee, inhale, exhale. Drop knee left side, and thigh 5. Straight your right hand, Wi-Fi right shoulder down. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, exhale, traction 5, straight your right leg. Same from the opposite side. Chai, drop your left knee onto the right side. Left hand shoulder down. Stay here, normal breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. One slow. Come back down. Inhale. Exhale. Straight hand, straight leg. Thang thigh, thang chest. Open your feet. Macam sama ucut. Palm thigh, palm chest. Relax hand. Relax your leg. Keep your eyes closed. Take normal breathing. Inhale and exhale. Just relax.